Are you ready to save big and stock up on game products? Get your pen and paper ready because today I'm going to share with you 50 unbeatable couponing deals to stock up on game products this week at Dollar General. From laundry detergent to fabric softener, you're going to find all the amazing products you need to make your life easier. And the best part, you're going to save a fortune while doing it. Also, by subscribing here to my YouTube channel and giving this video a like, you're not only going to show your support for my work, but also join an amazing couponing community that always knows where to find the best deals. It's a simple and effective way to upgrade your couponing game. So hit that subscribe button and get ready to score big on these amazing products. But before I get started, I just want to give you a heads up that 40 of these game deals will only work if your store hasn't already updated their register system. But if your store has, don't worry, I included 10 deals that do not use the 5 off of 25 Saturday coupon, which is pretty awesome because you'll be able to use it any day of the week instead of just on Saturday. Also, I'm sure you can tell that I have lost my voice. So the entire deals video today is going to be just music in the background. So get ready to screenshot some awesome deals.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. Shine, darling. Shine. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Shine. Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine.
all of my fantastic Patreon subscribers for your continued support. If you're interested in becoming a Patreon member and getting mentioned in my deal videos every week, check the link in the description. With a small monthly fee, you gain access to some great couponing benefits, including my weekly deals list every week, which, by the way, I wrote 140 amazing deals this week. I know, that kind of surprised me too. It's a personal record for me. So don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your couponing game. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope it helps you to save a lot of money this week. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button. It goes a long way to help support my channel and ensures you don't miss out on any of my future couponing content. Also, make sure you click on the notification bell as well and turn on all notifications. That way you receive those notifications when I post any future deal videos, of which this week I have a bunch of them to share, or I do one of my fun couponing after dark live chats. You'll receive a notification and you won't miss out. And I will see you in the next video.